Now in this example, at the instance shown in figure, a man exerts a force of 200 Newton on a pivoted 1 meter long lever. This lever is 1 meter long और यहाँ पर मैन 200 न्यूटन का फोर्स exert कर रहा है. The spring exerts a force of 80 Newton. Now the force exerted by spring, this is as 80 Newton, and the spring exerts a force of 80 Newton acting at midpoint. This is the midpoint, 1 meter long lever है, and this is the midpoint where spring is attached. What is the net torque acting on the lever? You have to find the net torque acting on the lever. Now length of lever is 1 meter. So let us say the total clockwise torque, the total torque calculate करना है. Total torque clockwise will be equal to how much? देखिए ये force clockwise torque ये करेगा, and this force is already perpendicular, so this will be 1 into 200 Newton, right? And देखिए spring force इस direction में लगेगा. This is the direction of spring force. So this force into perpendicular arm. Now this angle is 60 degree. So this will be the perpendicular arm. This angle will be equal to 60 degree. And so what is perpendicular? This will be the perpendicular arm. Right? This angle is 60 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree. So what will be the perpendicular arm will be equal to how much? This arm for it will be L cos 60 degree, right? It will be L cos, this will be equal to 0.5 cos 60 degree, right? Because spring force in the direction and perpendicular distance is 0.56 cos 60 degree, and it will produce a anti-clockwise torque. So this will be minus, right? Arm हो गया 0.5 cos 60 degree, and force is 80 Newton. The spring is exerting a force of 80 Newton. It is given in the problem. So this will be 200 Newton minus, right? We can say this point is 1 by 2 into cos 60 degree also 1 by 2, and this is 80 Newton. So this is 2 to the 4, 20 Newton, right? So this will be equal to 180 Newton. So total torque will be equal to 180 Newton, and it will be in clockwise direction. This will be in Newton meter. This will be the answer.